Today I wanted to talk to you about what's an Ayala hearing in New York State. Hi, why don't you come on in. My name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in New York. My practice concentrates on DWI defense. Today I want to talk to you about an Ayala hearing. It comes from a case, People v. Ayala, and the primary purpose of having this hearing, and the primary purpose of a lot of hearings, whether it's a suppression hearing to suppress the stop of the car or to suppress the field side sobriety test or anything else, is to start beating upon the case to diminish or what we call preclude the prosecution using some of their evidence. In this type of hearing, what we want to do is try to preclude or not allow the prosecutor to bring in a breath test. So the three things you need to know about this type of hearing are: number one, it's a DWI case with a breath test. Secondly, that we're going to try to challenge the breath test as being inaccurate and not reliable. And the third thing about the Ayala hearing is we're going to contest it on the grounds that the police did not properly administer the test. So, usually if I'm going to want to bring, or an attorney wants to bring this type of hearing, we're going to need a video. We're going to need something that shows what the police did back at the station doing the breath test. So in the city, we have that all the time. They have video of everything. But upstate New York in the Finger Lakes, sometimes we have video, sometimes we don't have video. Sometimes we have video, we don't have audio. But we have to be able to show what the police did or did not do. If we have a video and we look at the timing on the video, the timing is this. They need to have continuous and uninterrupted observation of somebody before they breath test them for 20 minutes. That's to make sure they don't belch, regurgitate, vomit, any of their stomach contents up into their mouth to contaminate the sample of breath. It should be a breath sample, not a stomach sample of concentrated alcohol. That's number one. Number two is we want to check to make sure the police have opened and checked the mouth prior to having them blow into the machine. Why? To make sure there's nothing inside the mouth. So these are the rules the police have to follow. Just like the police want you to follow laws and rules, we want the police to follow laws and rules to ensure the accuracy, reliability of this test. If we can show this to a judge prior to having a trial, then the prosecution will not be able to admit it into evidence because the test has been shown to be improperly administered and therefore unreliable and inaccurate. Good to think about hearings way in advance of the case to see if we have any of these types of challenges. Challenging evidence is what an attorney who's going to defend the case is going to do. Because I really believe sometimes it's more about the offense than it is about the defense. We need to be proactive and we need to start thinking about, did they make any mistakes? If you have questions about your DWI case in the Finger Lakes region of New York State, you're going to have to give me a call. You can shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for joining me and watching this video.